Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn a simple way how you can add manager to your YouTube channel. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in your dashboard and then click settings. In settings, you want to click permissions. And when you're going to click permissions, you want to click on invite. Here you'll just want to write the user email. And now I'll just add here and now access, select, and just choose manager and done. Of course, I'm not going to invite anyone, but you get an idea how to do it. So this is how you can actually do it. It's quite simple and quite easy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.